Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I want to teach you how to make a thumbnail similar to this with, personally I think it looks pretty cool. I used this thumbnail on my ghost hunting video, my first GorillaTag video, and I'm going to show you how to make something similar, or I might just show you how to make the thumbnail itself. So, all these are going to be a description. You're going to need the Gorilla IK rig. If you want to add cosmetics or the faces like I did with my face here and the red eyes, you're going to need this as well, and you're definitely going to need Blender. That's a requirement that you definitely need. So before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into it. So all this will be in the description, but for the Gorilla IK rig, you're going to want to go to here, and you click, if I go back to here, you click on releases, and it'll be here. So once you've done that and you've downloaded it, open it up in Blender, and here we go. So this is what it would look like at the start, but the first thing you want to do, if you want, with mine I had kind of a glowing effect of all them all basically, and if that you're here for that, I will show you how to do that later on, but for right now I'm just going to show you the base controls of Blender and how to use these. So first of all, you're going to, as you can see here, just a plain gorilla, to move around the scene, middle, like the scroll wheel, hold that down to move around, zoom in and out with the scroll wheel and use this, move around. You can also use that to zoom in and out if you hold it. It's just a bunch of stuff, but for now we're not really going to need any of that apart from if you're going to add a sun, which is basically just a light that lights up the whole scene. And then you can, if you click here, that goes, keeps you on this axis, and then you can rotate is R, G is move, and if that's pretty good I'll say, then you can move it along the X axis by clicking G and then X. Okay, so that's the base controls that you need for this. Now what you're going to do, what I like to do before we do anything else, click on this text, click tab on your keyboard, and as you can see you can edit text, and then because there's no lowercase in GorillaTag, put on caps lock, it's easier, and then type in the name of your player, the person you want to, do that, or rig. So now once you've done that, you want to go and click on the character, go to shading. To make the glowing effect, first you're going to click on this, go 15, so now you can do it. I didn't do it this bright, I don't think. I think I did 10 on each, but the higher it is, the brighter it will be. And then once you've done that, you can then choose the colour of your player. Mine is somewhere around here, I'd like to say, yeah, that's about right. And as you can see, it's got a little halo kind of glowing effects around it. I think I'm actually going to, so just play around with this until you're happy. I'm just going to turn this up a bit, it's not as much glow as I would like it to be. There, that's good, that's nice. So once you've done that, you can start posing, so click on this or any part of the rig and then click on here and click pose mode. So you're now in pose mode, you can't move any objects, but you can move and rotate the parts of the body. So like that. And an easy way, if you want it to be like mirrored on the other side with the other hand, click on one of them, click this X thing, and then it will then be mirrored on each side. I don't like that though. So like for the ghost hunting video, let's recreate that now. You can lift the head up. Okay, move it however you like. You're then going to want to click on shading here. What the heck? Oh yeah, sorry. Click on, go out of pose mode, go here, and then as you can see, there's a face texture. So this is if you want to add the faces. So if I just move this window here, and move this to there. As you can see, we open up our gorilla faces. These are all the faces that you can use. So with these, if I want him to be open mouth like this, which I think is what I used for the ghost hunting one, you click and put that, don't worry if it goes white, put that in face texture, set linear to closest, and then you set this to 1. If you didn't set that to closest, it's just that it'll make the image really blurry, but now it's all lovely and pixelated. So now as you can see, he's terrified. But I think it's time to add some cosmetics now. So because we've added all these, oh yeah, I'm not going to add cosmetics yet because I want to show you guys how to add red eye. Obviously you can do different eyes. Just make sure you've got that on closest and that's on 1. So yeah, it looks really good to me, but I'm gonna just stick with this one personally. So once you've done that, you can go back onto the layout and you have your gorilla. So what you're gonna do now is, if you're taking a screenshot, which you definitely are, if it's a thumbnail, you're gonna want to click here, add the camera. So what I did was there, add camera, click on that, click on the camera, click here or click N, go and just set all of these to 0, and then click R, then X, then on type 90. That will then set it to a perfectly straight camera, and then you can move the camera around like that. And then if you click here, that will just show what the camera sees. Oh god. And you can mess around with this however you like. Just put it there for now. But now what you're going to do, if you want cosmetics, you're going to go to the cosmetics file. If I just minimize this, here you're going to click on that. Badges, I'm going on badges because I'm using badges, and you're going to click search up whatever the name is. It might take a couple of tries, but it's kind of hard to find them. I'm not using a badge, I've got a separate thing, which is the Summer Splash Update Cosmetics, which is actually a little pack. But once you've got it, you can drag in the file. Okay, I thought you could. Go File, Import FBX, and then you can copy the path, or you can just find it, and you click on the FBX file, and then click Import FBX, and then everything will appear. Or if you're just using one, that will appear. So all I want is these ab things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of everything else except the abs, whatever you want to call them. And then if you go on shading, set that closest, so again make it so it's not blurry. So I think there's no way of changing that. And you're going to set the location to 0, 0, 0 based on wherever you have. Just maneuver the cosmetic to wherever your body is, and as you can see, I've now got the abs position, but it is hiding my name, so I'm just going to bring that out a bit. I can't really see it. If I just move that back a bit. You know, doing this is a slow process, by the way, guys. It won't take seconds. Now you want to go, because I want sunglasses, I'm going to use the pack that I gave you guys. I'm doing one separate. Hang on, guys. There we go. I'm going to go on hats and face. The name of my cosmetics is Boxy Sunglasses. And as you can see, okay, guys, sometimes there is a bit of an error where it doesn't come with textures. So if it's a simple cosmetic like this, you can just go here and search BSDF. That's the wrong BSDF, I'm not really good with this. BSDF, and I'm pretty sure Principal BSDF, you want to import that, drag that to surface and set the colour to whatever the colour of your cosmetic is. As you can see, that is the colour of my cosmetic. And for some reason it's not working, so it's a shame. But you're going to then click here, I don't know why it's on name tag, add, new, you can set the colour to black. To be honest with you guys, I don't really know why it's not actually. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm going to set this to that and delete that. And delete that as well. There, so there are my sunglasses. Lovely. Okay. I'm going to turn up the roughness as well. So, once I've done that, I can go to the Z, rotate Z. Okay. Rotate on the Z by -90. That, so now it's in position, and then you can rotate, and then you can right click, set origin to geometry, rotate it, move it in place, there guys. Oh. There. So there we go guys, that is how you make, oh sorry, one more thing, if you want to set the background to like black like I did, you can go into this thing here, click that, click RGB, and you can change the colour. And then if I find light, I can turn up the brightness of that, like that, and then we have a glowing me. And yeah, that's guys, that's how you do it. Obviously I did loads of them by just copying the collections here each time and put them together to make one. So yeah, thank you for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want any more tutorials, just join the Discord. More tutorials, put them in the comments down below. I am making fan games, so if you want tutorials on fan games, just ask them there. But yeah, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.